Hello and welcome to another Deva tutorial. Today we will be explaining how to use the Deva digital readout. First we need to open the program. Deva DRO is a utility program that shows the X, Y, and Z axis positions of a CMM machine using Deva CMM control. On the main page, the user can enable and disable the probe and the joystick, zero the axis, clear all axis zeroing and setting, and datum, and reset the machine. Furthermore, if you are using a CNC machine, the movement controls will be collapsed. All machine types can set, zero and datum on each axis. The user can define multiple presets that describe how the DRO displays its data, define data about the probe, and toggle certain features. You can select which preset is in use by choosing one from the table on the right. These presets are saved in the directory Documents Deva DRO Presets. Disabling an axis will remove it from the display and allow the other axis to appear larger. Probe compensation can be turned on and off. Note, turning compensation on will not compensate already recorded probe points. It needs to be enabled at the time the probe is triggered. The probe offset values can be defined. This is required for correct probe points. The probe diameter can also be defined, which is required to apply correct probe compensations. The value that is displayed on the readout is defined by the readout mode. Note, probe triggered will show 0 until the probe is triggered for the first time. The display unit, decimal places, and the scale of the value can also be defined. Note, even if the display unit is not set to millimeters, all values in the preset should be in millimeters. The measure window shows the length along an axis or the actual length between the last two probe points. It will display the points and length in the specified unit, scale, and decimal places defined in the active preset. The user can select the axis on which the length is measured using the drop-down box. If probe compensation is enabled, when a probe is triggered, the point will be compensated by the probe's radius and the collision normal. The log window will display the history of events that have occurred in the program's lifetime. For example, if an automatic datum has finished, a motion complete message will be displayed in the window. It will also display errors and warnings if they occur, for example, an axis over travel warning. Thanks for listening to this Deva tutorial. If you have any questions or problems, please consult the Deva manual for a more in-depth explanation or email at support@deva.co.uk.